Hello 8th standard student, welcome to English class by Mamta Shetty. Today we are going to continue with 1.2 chapter Dick Whittington and his cat. Let me brief you about the last session. A poor boy, Dick Whittington, lived in a small village in the south of England. He was so orphaned and he wanted to be rich as the villagers treated him bad. So with the help of the carter, he reaches London. He thought that the London street will be paved up with a gold. But to his dismay, the scenario is entirely different. Dick ends up with being miserable, hungry, begging for food, and lastly falls down in front of the rich merchant's house, that's Mr. Fitzwarren's, who helps him by giving him work in kitchen as an assistant and a room in attic. Last time we went through up to here. Now let us continue with the forward. So what happened? Dick was given a home and a living. He had a small corner of the attic to sleep in. His job was to help the cook. His life was much better than what it was. Yes, attic, a small roof inside a small room inside a pointed roof. Yes, like a store, you can say. What happened, you see? He had to face only two problems actually when he was staying there. Everything was good in the house. First, what happened? All the rats and mice scattered. Yes. So what he did? He saved the pennies and he bought the cat. And the cat, what it did? The cat helped him to chase away the rats and the mice. So Dick was able to sleep peacefully. So this was his first problem, and he found the remedy. What was the other difficulty? Other difficulty was that the cook had a bad temper. She shouted, screamed, scolded, sometimes hit him with a wooden spoon, right? And he was working very hard. One night Dick decided that no, enough, now I cannot stand it more. So what he did? Next morning he got up before everyone and he slowly went. Means he left the house and he went. The two of them, Dick and the cat, both went. And they went where? As they were going out of the London, near the Holloway. What is Holloway? You will say Holloway is a road or a strap lower than the constructor road. Okay. So what happened, you see? He takes the rest there. And it was the 1st of November. And 1st November is celebrated as a All Saints Day. What is this? The All Saints Day is the day to honor all the saints that have attended heaven, right? So it was a day of celebration and the church bells were ringing. Dick sat and listened. He felt that as if this all place, this all atmosphere, this all environment was giving him a message. And what this message was? Turn again, Whittington. Though means you, worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. See, you are one of the best citizen of this place and you are going to be a Lord Mayor of London. Hearing this message, Dick realized that what to do. Should I continue with my journey or go back? See, you can see that message. The bell is giving the message. Then now the Dick thinks, Lord Mayor of London, Dick said, I would like to be a Lord Mayor. I would like to ride in a fine coach and then I won't be able to, the cook won't be able to scold me up and very nice it would be. So what he did? He retraced, means he returned back. And luckily he went inside. No one missed him. And now what happens? Fitzwarren. Ship is there. You can see? Yes, his ship is sailing across the other countries, trading, right? So what he does, what Fitzwarren said, he loads the ship with all the things and he takes this all his crook people, they take this everything, go to some other place and they sell it up, right? So what does he do? One day what he did, he called up all his household people and he asked them that my ship is going to Africa, coast of trade. Would you like to send something to sell there? Yes, so that after selling whatever profit will come, you can take it. Yes, if the voyage is successful, if this journey is successful, right? So if you want to sell anything, then you can do it. Everyone gave some or the other thing. But what did Dick have? Dick did not have anything. Have you nothing of your own, Dick? Fitzwarren asked. Then he's saying, no, I have only my cat. I don't have anything. Now see what happened. This Fitzwarren's daughter is saying, Alice, her name is Alice. What she is saying, just listen. What she is saying? That Dick loves his cat. Let me put something in for him. Let me give some money. Then father is saying, no, 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 no. It must be not something else. It must belong to Dick only. Right? Let me pause it up. So what he is saying? It should be belonging to Dick only. No one will give anything else. Right? So what Dick does? Dick gives the cat. Yes? So then let your cat go on the ship, Fitzwarren said. His daughter is saying that, but cat is, Dick loves the cat. How to give the cat? Let me give some money. No, no. The cat only should be given. So Dick goes, brings the cat, says goodbye sadly. The captain takes the cat and it goes. Now cat is what? It was an excellent mouser. What is the meaning of excellent mouser? Means the animal which can catch the mouse, right? And so even the captain was very happy. Why? Because when all the things are there, eatable things and everything, you will find that in the storage there are lots of mouse and rats, right? So what captain is very happy that now there will be no trouble from the rat and mice on his voyage. Voyage means journey. Yeah? I think so. I'll stop here, because after means next chapter, our next continuation of this chapter we'll do in the next session. Okay, so just go through this chapter. Very beautiful chapter it is. You will come to know a very inspiring story about Dick Whittington. Yes, thank you.